Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is KB We're Saving 101, and I'm KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I am a lifetime thrifter turned reseller. I currently resell on Poshmark, Mercari, Tradesy, and I send boxes into Thredup. So if you are interested in reseller tips and tricks and lots of haul videos, then do me a favor and consider hitting that subscribe button down below because it will really help me out. This week I'm giving you two videos. So not everybody's going to want to see my like 70 some odd items that were sent back. It would be 70 exactly, I believe, of not sold. So today I'm going to give you what sold and have a chat, do the normal thing, and then tomorrow, because there's 70 items, you can watch my what didn't sell. And I guarantee you, I don't think there's a repeat in what brand there was. So check that out if you get a chance. Anyway, let's see. So now we have changed times again. As far as if you are purchasing expediting, certain places and certain people are getting different lengths of time. So I'm believing that's because of warehouse guys. So if your warehouse is behind or understaffed, that's probably what's happening, because mine had still said 1 week. I know it's gone up on some people's to 3 weeks for the paid expediting. And it is what it is. And I expect those times to get worse. Okay. And the reason is because every reseller in the world right now, before they change their pricing structure and give us a 30-day notice, is trying to get everything in. So there you go. Also, more news. The news on your good old goodie bag pulls. Well, yeah, they have the 14 days and they have a lot of discrepancies on their app as far as directions, and probably on their website. I didn't even check the website as far as the directions, but 14 days is what they're supposed to have for a return policy. Unfortunately, they're telling us it's going to be like maybe a 3 week before we get paid out. Now, I do have my own personal thoughts on this, and I'm going to tell you why. You know, if you don't know, Thredup sells on Walmart.com and also sells on eBay. Both of those sites are 30-day return policy. So are they trying to, I don't know why they just don't go say, okay, then fine, everything's a 30-day return. I don't know. I don't know what their thinking process is. It's really a very frustrating. I know from my own personal experience it is. So, but there you go. They have said 3 weeks probably for your payouts on your goodie bag pulls. And now I'm praying I don't have any goodie bag pulls. So besides all that wonderful stuff, why don't we go head on over? Oh, by the way, people that were able to print, big people, got shut down for that. And they did find a little way around it. They did open up new accounts so that they could print labels. So it seems like they're opening up to more people. They are trying to limit the amount of kits that you have in to sell to 10, is what I've also have seen and read. And yeah, it is what it is. And we'll all hope that they give us the actual 30 days, which is not enough time, in order to have a warning for their price adjusting structure being changed. Anyway, onto the computer. Let's get this done and over with, shall we? Okay, guys. So, I did have somebody message me about the amount of time they had on their reclaimed items. If you are looking for your reclaimed items, I've not talked about this before, but and you don't know if it's been shipped or whatever, here is in your orders. It goes under your orders. These are like all my reclaimed items that I'm going to be showing y'all. Here you go. Look at those. So, and this row too, that's how many items I had. Oh, this one too. Holy Toledo. That were all just reclaimed in like the last week, and I've received them. So if you want to check out all those items, yeah, that's going to be tomorrow's video. But if you're looking for your where it is, it's under your orders. Okay, so that's where you find your reclaims. Okay, this is my current next set that I'm already going through and reclaiming, and you can see you have like a 7-day or 6-day thing. I still have 2 days left, and I can just keep adding to them, and I do that every single solitary time. So let's just get into the thing. Sorry, I should have probably went through and did this, but you know, we'll just go down here first. Let's see. I have 2 kits that were just sent, and so here they are. And you go to tracking and you'll be able to hopefully get some information. And I'm going to tell you sometimes and sometimes not. See, schedule delivery pending. Don't ask me, but there you go. That's how you can track the boxes that you sent in. They have actually 2 that have been received. Wow, this box had been at like 10:22, and then the other one was at 11. Now, see, they've pushed this back because everybody's sending their stuff in, guys. So expect that. Those were not expedited. And yeah, let's see what happens with those, shall we? All right, so now I'm just going to right-click and open every one of these in a new tab so that I don't have to go back and forth. The amount of items that I have are totally decreased hugely. I mean, I just reclaimed 70 items and I've started another box. So you can tell that my stock is dwindling. And yes, I have some boxes waiting. It doesn't look like they're going to get to them. And who knows? I'm trying to think if there's any other questions that were asked this week, but anyway, let's see. If you have questions, leave them down below. I will answer them if I know the answer. So I've got 29 listed. So this one is like one of the newer boxes. I've got nothing going on. So there's no reclaims. I am not maxing out my prices, and I am dropping them a little bit to go through and see if I can move them because, yes, I don't need a lot more stock coming in. You should see my house. I am overflowing. But let's go down to our pending sales, and you can see even though it was new, I reclaimed 3 items. So this one, yes, this was my purchase or my sale this week. And so I have no idea. It says in transit. Yay, I have a allowed until 11/2. So yay, I have a date on that one. This one has said delivered and I have not had a date. So I'm thinking that is a goodie box pull. But anyway, there you go. And we won't know until that one goes. But $15.06 was my sold. Oh, let's see. I can show you what it was actually. See, $44 is what they actually purchased it for. Anyway, that's my only sale for this week. And I'm going to run down these. This box again is a newer box. I have nothing going on. Or yet. Let's say that. Yet. I have 2 pending sales. This I do have to contact them on. It has been reserved for 2 weeks now. And yes, I've been meaning to, and it's just, I'm kind of just agitated and I don't want to even deal with it. So 10/22, so in a couple days, I should get a payout on these Chico's jeans. These, again, this was the last week's. Either it hasn't arrived yet or it's a goodie box. And until I have a date or it doesn't have a date till like next week, then we'll kind of figure that one out. All right, this one I'm up 54. But look it, I have 6 days. So you can see I'm going to be reclaiming a lot of items again. In fact, I'll close out the box that I currently have and have to do another one. And like I said, I have been dropping the prices, so what are you going to do? I had 5 items that I have been paid out for. I have no pending sales, so there you go. Okay, so this one was a return. I'm wondering what they're going to do, if they're going to actually pay us out if it sells for a second time, or if they're going to change that. That's really kind of interesting. Okay, here, this one I have 1 day to sell, so I reclaim and I add to my cart. Okay, BCBG Max Zaria sweater, or generation, sorry. I reclaim. This one I have 30 days, 30, 30, 31, reclaim. Surprised with that one. 35. Oh, and see, here we go. So these Banana Republic corduroys were returned. So that's a bummer. I was hoping to get a payout for that, and they were returned. So there you go. I have 2 solds that I was paid out for, and yeah, that's what my 2 items. I've got 165. This is an old Lux label, so there we go. All right, let's go down this one. 22. There might be some ones. I think I've already claimed all these that were in this particular one. I have 2 pending sales. Okay, this one has had to have been for a goodie bag pull, because it's been like that for quite a while. This one possibly the same, so we'll just have to wait and see. And yeah, and I'm at 140. How many items have I really sold? And I've sold 9 items, so there you go. That's this kit. Now let's see, I'm at 97 on this one. And this one is going to be closed out. These are all in my cart to reclaim, so I won't have any more in there for this particular one. But 10/21, hopefully I'll get paid out for this. And that just stinks. I won't ever send Torrid short sleeve shorts in again. Okay, close. And let's see, this box. Again, this box is going to be closed out. So, and I've had 6 items that I've been paid out for. And I'm currently at 94. This did have my $30 that taken out, basically, well, $26.99, whatever. So there you go. And this one, I still have 2 items. This one again was returned, so I don't know if they're going to, if it sells again. I have dropped the price on it. All the other items are reclaimed, and this thing might be open forever because this one just has been in somebody's cart every day. All right, let's see, 42, where am I at in this one? I have 35, 47, I'm up, woo, but I only had return assurance, which I was planning on doing, but now that the change is coming, I'm not sending in ones that are going to be pushed out. So it's either expedited or not. And we'll see. I haven't ordered any new labels this week, but is what it is. And I only have 1 sold so far, and I think that is my one top. No? So anyway, 35.47, that's where that one is, and there's nothing to reclaim there. Let's see, what is this one? Did I miss this one? I don't know, I must have messed up. Okay, let's see, that'll probably be at the bottom. And I'll open it. Oh yes, because this pair of shoes we haven't hit, and that go down here. So I'm up on this kit. Again, it was only return assurance, so I'm at 60. I still have 12, 14. And you know, some of your items, guys, you're going to be able to relist and sell better on your own. So don't be disappointed when they come back. I do utilize the pictures and their information. So this one pending sale, here we go. And who knows? I wish they were a little bit more clearer on how things worked. But you can see my kits have dwindled tremendously, and It's been really slow. Like I said, I only had one actual sale for this week, but there you go. There's the updates and the chit chat and all that great stuff. So I hope you guys are having an awesome week. Until next time.